Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how to fix Android phone calls directly going to voicemail. So for that, you're going to have to launch your settings app and you will see a search button, tap onto it. Here, simply type in call forwarding and scroll below. You will see call forwarding under supplementary services. So you're going to have to tap on call forwarding. In my case, I have two SIM cards, so that is why you're seeing two options for both the menus. So once this loads up, you're going to have to tap on call forwarding. And once you have made the settings for call forwarding for one SIM, come back to another SIM card and you will also see here call forwarding. You're going to have to tap onto it and make sure that you make the settings for these two SIM. So as this is loading up, let's go ahead tap on call forwarding. Then tap on voice calls, or if you would like to do it for your video calls, go ahead tap on video calls. Now as you do that, you will see always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, or forward when unreachable. Make sure that you remove your number. In my case, I don't have my number. That is why it is saying no number set. So make sure that you have no number here. If you have your number, go ahead and remove it. And do the same for your other SIM card as well. Just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.